Hello traders, welcome to another weekly gold XAUUSD price prediction and analysis video. So in this video we are going to analyze gold chart on different time frames, and we are going to check the important price action levels that currently gold is following so that we can utilize those levels in upcoming trading sessions. So before going into the price action, let's check the latest COT report first. So this is the latest COT report, and we are looking at the positions of the managed money right over here. You can see, so for this particular week, this is the latest report you can see right over here. And if we check the positions of the managed money, you can see they are repeating the same process from last 3 to 4 weeks, and this time also what they are doing, they decreasing their net long positions. You can see right over here they decreased their net long positions for this particular report. It is reduced by 3205 numbers, and they are adding into the short positions. You can see this time they added 1804 positions into the net short positions. And if we check the historical data also, you can see right over here, this is the previous COT report, and previously also we have seen they reducing. You can see right over here they reduced it by minus 19633, and they adding to the short position, they added 2563. Previously also, let me show you another report, this right over here, they're doing the same process from this report also. This is the historical data. So what this mean actually, the current sentiment and the current scenario as per the COT is not favorable for gold bulls, and we already seen this on the gold chart, gold price action chart. You can see, because gold price tried to go into the higher side in previous week and week before that, but every time gold price tried to go above, it retraced back. So overall, if we talk in terms of the COT, it is not favoring the gold bulls. So we have to wait and watch how they're going to change this current sentiment, because currently it is need to be watched carefully, because for bulls we have to wait as per the COT. But one another interesting chart that I want to show you for gold bulls is this right over here. This is the gold future open interest chart. You can see this is the open interest chart, gold future open interest chart, and for the current price level, the open interest is at a very low or critical level. For this particular closing price, the net open interest is at this number 430328, and before this the low was on Feb 21st 2023. It was near about 422648, right over to this this particular period. And before that the low was on December 6 2022, right over here. It was 422100, and before this it was low on April 29th 2019. It was 430011. So this means whenever the interest open interest go down or near to this current level, we have seen good bullish move. Let me show you. On April 29th, this was the price level on April 2019, right over here. So after this you can see a big bullish rally, and on December 6 2022, the price was around this price level, around right over here. You can see. So after this we have seen a good bullish move. On Feb 21st, the price was near to this level, and you can see. So as per the current position of open interest, or the numbers of open interest, the gold can make a good bullish move, but it is not getting help from the managed money overall, we can say. So we have to wait and watch how the price going to react on other factors also. So now let's move on to the price action, and for the price action let's check the daily chart first. So this is the daily chart, and we already discussed this chart in Telegram channel, and the most important part and the most important level for gold on daily is this level right over here. It is at 2030 to 2035 right over here. As you can see, this is the high volume node area. So this is currently acting as support, and whenever price tried to break down this level, we have seen multiple rejection and gold bulls defending this particular zone very well. So we have to wait and watch. Above this on daily time frame, we have to look for the buy, but if price close below this on daily time frame, then decline possible. So on daily, this is the most critical level right now. And if we move on to intraday time frame chart, let's check the chart on 4-hour time frame. This is the 4-hour time frame. You can see if we draw the Fibonacci for this particular cycle from this high around 2088 to this low around 2001, you can see the gold price facing resistance to this golden Fibonacci level. It is at 2055. Whenever price tried to break above, we have seen the rejection, and no candle is closing above to this particular price level. So this is the critical resistance as per the price action on Fibonacci. Also, we have seen rejection from the yearly open. So we have to watch these two levels very carefully. If we see some kind of breakout and if we see some confirmation about to these levels, then we can look for the buy opportunities toward the higher price level. So under this there is opportunities on decline, but the most important support of course is around 203035 on intraday also. Now let's move on to the intraday time frame also on 1 hour. This is the 1 hour time frame, and if we check the price action, you can see the current price is trading about to weekly pivot. This level around here is the weekly pivot. It is around this was the previous week pivot, and for the next week we have to wait. But for the next day, the CPR is around this level. So it is around, if we talk in terms of the particular price level, it is around 2042. So above this there is a buy opportunity, and under this there is a sell opportunities if price break down the previous Friday low. Then we can look for the sell, but above this better we go with the bulls. Also, if we check the chart of dollar, you can see the current scenario. If you check the weekly chart, this is the weekly chart, the current closing is clearly a bullish closing, you can see on price action. So the important levels that we have to watch for this particular cycle for this high to this low is these level. For a 50% retracement, it is at 103.997, roughly 104, and for 0.618, it is at 104.787. So if we see some rejection, then it might go down, and this is going to be good for gold bulls. And if we see rejection from here, then this is also good for gold bulls. We have to wait and watch how price going to behave onto these levels. And if we talk in terms of the important data that we have to watch for next week, I think this is for today, as I'm recording it on Sunday. I think this is for today, the Fed Chair Powell's speech. I think it is a pre-recorded interview, and we have to wait and watch how it is going to affect the future sentiment. On Monday, we have service PMI data, ISM non-manufacturing PMI also on Monday. On Thursday, we have initial jobless claim. So these are the data that we have to watch for next week. So we are going to discuss more about these levels and other aspects in live trading session in live Telegram channel. So see you there.